All right, so I have spent about 10 hours on this thing, and I have got the rear almost sanded. Gotta get the very bottom. I got it jacked up where I can get to it easier. Gotta sand these by hand. And here, finished taping up a couple places. This rocker's got to be covered. The wheels, I'll put wheel covers on them. Make sure that there's nothing exposed. Sanded the roof. I do have to hand sand real close to the trim because I'm not taking the doors or the windows out. This was cracked right in here and here and a little bit up here, so body worked that out. Fenders, got the emblems removed, got the whole hood sanded. I did it all with 320. The bottom lip, I gotta sand it by hand. I got the front lights and I got those taped up. Let's see what else. Over here, I'm actually gonna repaint the rocker. So I gotta leave it exposed and tape the door up. So that's what I was doing just a minute ago, but I'm calling it a night. So 10 hours, there was a crack here. Get some epoxy up in there. I smeared it a lot, and it's because I don't know, I'm trying to block it down. It's really thick, but oh well, it's the way I'm doing it. It's really thick right there where it was at, and then it's kind of feathered out on the edges more. So you basically just start sanding directly on the top, and then it just kind of works down to the body. That's the way I'm doing it. Rookie style, baby. But anyways, that's about 10 hours worth of work for me. And you know, I don't know if that's probably slow some people, but just me working on the car. So plan to spray it with a feather fill and block it out with probably 400, and then hit it with another primer, like a sealer primer, 2K primer, and then yeah, block it out maybe with like, I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, and then we're gonna spray her red, torch red. The reason I didn't spray the quarters and I'm not doing the doors is because they're in really good shape. Well, you can see right here, it's actually really nice on the doors and the quarters. The roof had clear coat failure on the hood and on the, it was a shame, the fenders actually looked good, but they had clear coat failure on top. So I figured I'll just do the whole front nose. Yeah, and that way I don't have to repaint the whole car. It wouldn't have been much more to paint the whole car, but it wasn't really necessary because it looks really good. So that's it. That's my, it's like 2 days split up. You got 10 hours total in it so far. So I feel like tomorrow I can finish up what I need to finish up, get her in primer. I'm gonna let her sit for about 24 hours before I don't know. I'll read the data sheet, but I know how primer likes to, you know, cure. And sometimes it could take a month on some primers. But yeah, there's the Z06. And these horrendous wheels, I actually found a set of C5 wheels to go on this, like factory C5 Z06 wheels. That's what I want on this because I think they look great. These are really pitted, and they're 20-inch. They're for looks, they're not for performance. So that's not what this car is about to me. It's not about showboating in this thing. It's about performance. It's about power. It's about cracking fiberglass. Stress cracks. Yeah, man. Z06. Oh, shit. Well, next video, maybe I'll have her in primer and be blocking some out. So Stay tuned, everybody.